Stalwarts of the People's National Party, PNP, were in northern Clarendon rallying their supporters ahead of Monday's election. Dwayne Anderson has details.
Flanked by party supporters and colleagues, PNP President Mark Golding took campaigning to Clarendon on Tuesday, insisting the time has come for a change in governance at both the local and central government levels. He listed issues he finds with the current administration as stops in each constituency.
People want change. They want a government of integrity. They want a government that they can have trust and confidence in. They want a government that uses the resources for the people only and not for them friends and them cronies. They want a better education system so our youths them can find opportunities to earn good income, a better training system to ready them for work in the 21st century.
In north central Clarendon,
the Prime Minister making promises here, promises there. Promises like him have running belly with promises. Him a promise till the bottom drop off of the clocks. But let me tell you, comrades, we know about these promises because we've been there before and we've seen that a lot of them, most of them, will never come true.
In northwest Clarendon and again in the northern Clarendon constituency.
The health system, you go to any public hospital and you're sick and you need to be admitted. No bed. You have to be on a bench or a chair for days sometimes. Some people don't make it through that ordeal. Our farmers are suffering. Many of them can't get water.
There are 10 divisions in the 3 constituencies Mr. Golding toured. Of the 10, the PNP won 4 in the 2016 local government election. It's why Mr. Golding has again issued a warning to supporters about operations on election day.
Comrades, all of these things require a serious approach to what is coming on Monday. This is not a rum and boom business. This is serious business. We must be disciplined, we must be organized, we must be serious, we must be focused. On Monday, please come out early. Put your eggs squarely beside the head.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.